Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Edge, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the Hi There screen, where you get to choose the language. I'm going to stick with English and then press Start. Then on the next page we can insert our SIM card. Now this step is completely optional, it changes literally nothing throughout the setup process. Once you're ready, you can insert the SIM at any given moment. So I'm going to skip it. Then we have Wi-Fi connection. Now again, this is completely optional as well. You might not have Wi-Fi next to you, so you can opt out of this. And the only thing you will miss out on is throughout the setup process, you won't have the option to log into your Google account and also restore the device from an old backup that's located on the Google Cloud, which you can do that later on through settings after the setup. Then we have date and time, so you can change it if it's not correct. If it is, press next and disregard this. Then we have Google services, so we have use location, scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. Now you can read exactly what it does by tapping on the drop down menu and expanding the list for each one of them. And if you don't want it, you can simply disable it like so, and from there tap on accept at the bottom. And then by default it automatically prompts you to set a screen lock. So you can by default set a 4-digit PIN, or set a pattern or password, or simply skip it if you don't want. Now I'm going to set up a pattern as an example. So let's draw it, tap next, redraw the same pattern once more, and confirm. And automatically it proceeds further to use a fingerprint. So you can set it up if you want, or you can tap on skip, and this will keep the pattern but just not the fingerprint that we haven't set. And then we have about your privacy, so you have some privacy policy from Motorola. We need to accept and continue. Let's stay in touch, so we have some more stuff here. So let's go to next. Carrier location access, grant location permission. If you don't want it, you can disable this. And then new way to navigate is just a guide for the gesture navigation, because as you can see we have been using buttons. Throughout the setup it will right now basically force us to learn about gestures. So let's tap on next. It shows us how to use them. As you can see, all of them: back, recent, home, and from there we can enable the gestures if we want to, or actually use them from here. And as you can see, they automatically are enabled. So if you want to disable them, simply tap on here, I believe, or you have to go through the Moto account and from here disable them if you want to. But that is how you would go through the setup process of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.